what is the role of AI then when we talk about skills-based hiring and talent models?
Yeah, so we're using some AI at the front end to extract those skills. There's still a human checking that, but it does a nice job of identifying what skills somebody would have if they're doing a certain role. So that's been incredibly useful. Purely from a scale perspective, somebody hasn't got to sit down and read 200 job descriptions and try and pull the skills out. AI does a pretty decent job of that. I think the other exciting thing that we're seeing now is we're categorizing the way you get work into three simple buckets. It's either human-centric, it's AI-augmented, or it's AI. Automation, we call the third one, actually, just so it makes it easier. So it's human-centric, AI-augmented, automation. So as you're now thinking about that work, the AI is helping us say which bucket does this skill set best fit in?
Okay.
Is it a human-centric skill? Is it an augmented skill? Or is it just something that AI can do on its own?
It seems like a new twist from the build, what is it? Build, buy, borrow, and now bot. We've
Exactly
heard.
what it is. Yeah.
I like this idea of augmented because as I experiment with AI, it's really helped accelerate some of the things that I do,
Yeah.
but sometimes it's just wrong. And so I've got to check it before I release something that's been done by AI. But I can tell you, I probably spend a quarter to a third of the time on a lot of these things than I used to. And the
Yeah.
cognitive load to get there, not just the time, but the cognitive load, especially in creative stuff, is just so much lighter. So I like
Yeah.
this idea of AI augmented, and then was it AI performed? What was the third one?
So it's human, AI augmented, or automation.
Automation. Okay. And how
It's
do
the
so
so the difference we see there is so AI will sort of tell you what to do, and then a human can do that, or it can be automated. So we I don't mind sharing on this, but we partner with UiPath, and the reason one of the reasons we partner with them is because it's not only the ability to identify what can be automated, what process can be automated, but then it allows you to do it as well. And that's that third bucket. So in our word, automation means doing the actual act of automating.
so you have an AI look at the work
Yes.
and help you and your teams figure out which is a good candidate for any one of those buckets, and then you'll make the decision
Yeah.
once you see it.
Yeah.
Is that how it works?
Exactly. And you mentioned it earlier, the old days of when you used to think, what are the core skills? What are and so on and so forth. So it's breaking it down to three different buckets, but it's the same thought process.
That's fascinating. I think that's something that's really interesting.